Hi, you're welcome to today's lesson. And we're going to answer this past question of ICT IGCSE 041721 variant, May June 2024. So we'll start with this side. So let's move straight to the next page. We have we have all these source files. We have all this in our source file. All this given unto us in our source file. So we are going to our folder to confirm if all this is correct. So we have 9 items. So if we check what we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of this, okay, this SRF document, so we have 8 items here that are given unto us. So which will confirm that it's here. So now we've done that, so we are expected to move into task 1. And in this task we are to open the J2 file, J2421 evidence, the evidence document. So we'll go into our work. So we open this evidence document, so which is this. So make sure your name, center number appear on every page of this document. So this document is to save in your work area. So it means you're going into a folder and create a new folder called work area. So we should save it inside this folder work area. So in our evidence document we should have this. Then we should save it as evidence. So first we'll insert name and center number, candidate number. So let's move there. So it means move into our header. Let's remember on every page. So we have it. So delete this and delete this. So go out of our work. So we'll save followed by your candidate number. So we'll now go to our work. So we're going to save as in our work area. Then we're going to change from RTF to Word document. Then going to save it as evidence. Then it's your candidate's name. So for example, you will need your evidence document during the examination to place a screenshot in where required. So we're done with task 1. So in task 2, which is our document, you're going to edit a suitable childcare. The company uses corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed using a suitable software. We're going to be using Microsoft Word. So we'll create, open the file J2 childcare. So open this. So here is it. Then page setup is A4. Setup, do not make any changes to the settings. 3 paragraph styles. So we're going to look for the 3 paragraph styles here. So these are paragraph styles. So we have TC body, TC subhead, TC table. Well, the file name, nursery. So we'll go to this. We're going to save as in our work area as nursery. then we'll change the type as document, then we'll save. So we have this already. Make sure it's saved in the format your software is using. Place in your evidence document a screenshot. Should have the file has been saved, make sure that this evidence of file type. So we'll go to our work, open it. So we have file type and the size here. So we're going to take a screenshot. We select this area, then we'll go to our evidence, which is evidence 1, and paste it here. So we're done with everything here. So move to step 2. Place in the nursery document a right align header on a single line. So we're going to type this prospectus produced by, followed by space your name center number. So we're going to right align header. So we'll go straight to this point, move here, header, produced by your name center number, candidate number, produced by then candidate number. So we're going to remove this and this. The next aspect is a left align footer with automated page numbers. So we'll go there and create footer. So we'll scroll down. Left footer. So now we have this here. Then go out of our header and footer. So the next thing is make sure that all headers are in single line, alignment match page margins. So check it. All the headers are on the left hand side. They are aligned properly. There are no text or placeholder including footer areas, and the headers are displayed on all pages. So to confirm, we have a header and a footer here. Create and store the following style, basing it on default or normal paragraph style. So start with this. Based on normal, we'll start and create this. So we'll go here and create a new style. So based on normal, create a style, and the name of the style is TC title. So modify, so it should be based on normal, start following paragraph, TC title. So move in, should be serif. Serif is Times New Roman. So we have Times New Roman. Font size 32. Center alignment. So pick this. Bold italics. Bold italics. Single line spacing. So we have this as single line spacing. So single line spacing. Then before is 0, after is 6 points. So we'll go into this format. Before is 0, after we have 6. So confirming all these things, we are done with that. Click OK. So we have created that. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings, TC title style. make sure there's evidence based on the default and place this in your evidence document. So go back there, then we modify this and we'll take a screenshot. So it's based on step 3. So we have our work here. So resize it suitable enough for the examiner to be able to read it. So we have it in this way. Step 4, apply TC title style to the text, to the title text, Tower Childcare. So we'll go to our work, we look for the title Tower Care. So select this. So the next thing is select the subhead staff. And the following text up to including the ending, enjoy their surrounding. So up to enjoying their surroundings, that's from staff, that's from here up to enjoying their new surrounding. What have I expected to do? Change the page layout so that the text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with 1 centimeter space between the column. So select this area, up to enjoy surrounding, and go to layout, columns, more columns, select 2, then 1 centimeter spacing between them, 1 centimeter space between the column and 2 columns. So now click OK. So we have our work this way, from staff all the way to last text, enjoy their new surroundings. So we've done that. So the next thing is step 6. The style name TC subhead has already been created and stored. Specify subheading. Modify the TC subhead style. So good. So here we'll move and right click, modify TC. The next thing is for TC subhead, sans serif. So let's confirm it's sans serif. No, it's not sans serif. Sans serif will use Arial. Then font size 14. Center alignment. Then italics bold, all caps. Italics bold. No underline. All caps. Go to this. Then we'll get font. Select all caps. Click OK. Then line spacing, single line spacing is already selected. Then before is 0, after space after is 7. Go to paragraph, format paragraph, before 0, after 7. Click OK. So since we are done, we'll click OK. So let's check if it is effective. is already effected on the subhead. So take the screenshot showing the subhead style and the settings applied in this evidence. So go here, modify, then take the screenshot of this copy it, evidence 6. So we have it here. Resize it. That's evidence 6. So we're done with step 6. Now in step 7, apply a number list formatted as 1 to 7 to text from communication and language to art and design. So we need to look for communication. So we don't need to look for this communication and language, this art and design here. So make sure that the numbers are aligned to the left margin of the column. List is single line spacing, no space before or after each. There's a 7-point space after the last item in the list. So we're going to select everything here that will fix. We're asked to numbers that align to the left. So the number list 1 to 7. So we're going to numbering here and select this. So it should give us number 1 to 7. After that, the list is single line spacing. So this one we're not going to create any style for it. So single line spacing, going to select 1.0, then with no space before or after each line. So we'll go here, we'll check for remove space before or after. So we'll remove space. So the next thing is from what is indicated, 7-point space after the last item. Let's take note, the last item. So we'll highlight the last item here, that's number 7. Then we'll right click paragraph, so fix 7 here. So we now have space 7 after the last item. So save our work. So the next thing is number 8, import image J2421 logo JPG and place it in the paragraph beginning we have. So look for the paragraph we have. Can't find it. Look for we have. So paragraph we have is this. That's here. We have 8 spaces. We have 8 spaces. So import it. Place it in the beginning we have. So we're going to insert it there. Here. Insert it, look for it in our folder. So this is our picture. We'll insert it here. Rotate it so that rotate the image so that it's 180 degrees. The aspect ratio is maintained. So here, with the image still selected, we move to this side. So we rotate to the right, rotate to the right. So it will give us 180. Aspect ratio maintained. Another way is we can still select this, go to this size, rotate 180 and make sure our aspect ratio is maintained. That's the second way of doing it. Now we'll format the image so that the image is aligned to the right margin at the top of paragraph, starting with we have. So right align on the top of the paragraph stating we have 8 spacious playroom and the text wraps around the image. So we'll go there to this image. First, we'll have it this way. Then the option for our text wrap, we're going to work with tight. So it is this way. Then the next thing is should be aligned to the right margin and top of the paragraph. So for this to be possible, we have to go to this align panel here. So align to the right. So now we're done with this part. So move to the next aspect. That's step 8. Now move to the next step. Step 9. Locate the table in the document. Format the table so that the table width is 13 centimeters. First, let's look at the table. So we look for our table. So this is our table. So we're going to format it so that the table width is set to 13 centimeters. So table properties, we right click and move to table properties. So table width is set to 13 centimeters. So from this point, we'll now check for the row height, which is 1 centimeter. And now we have to center align it vertically in each row. So we'll go here and select the center and click OK. Then now we have it in this way. Then we'll move up and also click there so that it will align at the center, and we have it here. Now the next thing we have to do, move to number 10 for spell check and proofreading. So now we'll scroll up. We might not be able to use it to see every mistake with our eyes, so we'll go into this, select all of our work. We'll go to the review menu and click on spelling and grammar. Then it will bring out. Here we have as a result, we're supposed to have comma there. So we'll click on comma, then just being able to detect everything. So we'll scroll down, then it has told us that everything is fine. So with this, we have everything in order. Then we have to check for widows and orphan, any paragraph or any text left hanging. So let's check gradually. So here we can see this paragraph here, we have the key person. So we'll press enter, then it will move down. So here we have everything fine. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure to subscribe to this channel.